Got a 2010 GMC Acadia that's got a ticking noise under the hood, and got the cover off right now. I'm doing a little research. I discovered that it is this purge valve right here. You can hear the ticking. As soon as you pull it out, it stops. So I ordered a new one. Costs like 15 bucks. And I'm going to install it and be done with the noise. So I disconnected the cable here. I just pulled the tab, pull it back, get that out, and then I used a 10mm socket on this one bolt here, and that's all that's holding it on. And then once you get that loosened up, you can pull this out, pull it right out of there. And then this guy's got a green tab on either side. You can push that and then push them both in, and then it just pulls away. Push those two tabs in, and then it just comes apart. So there's the old one, there's the new one, and then we just do it all in reverse order. Just go ahead and stick it in there. You just go ahead and push that right in the slot. Get your bolt lined up with the hole. Go ahead and tighten that down. So as you tighten up the bolt, it draws the part right in. Draws the part right in the hole. Then you can take this guy, stick it right on there until she clicks. Then this guy goes right there, locks in place, and we are good to go. I was able to give it a few more turns with the wrench, and then it snugged up tight. So that's how it should look like, the placement.